Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to edit on VSDC Free Video Editor. So yeah, and this is the video editor I use for my editing videos, and the editing challenge video that I did today and uploaded, I edited it through this. So I use this quite a lot. Yeah, it's because it's my main editor, but I don't use the screen capture and video capture function because I don't know, I just haven't used it. Maybe I'll switch to that later. Anyway, so this video is going to be all about me teaching you how to start learning how to edit on this. So I'm not going to show you every single thing, just a few things that you might need in the future. Anyway, I'm not going to show you how to install it because you might have clicked on this video because you want to check how to use it, not how to install it. That'll be boring. So let's just get into it. Either you can click new project or just blank project. I just do it blank project and project settings. You don't need to change any of this. You can add publisher, author, copyright, description. It's not needed. You can. It's just that add a title. That's all that's needed. I'm gonna add YT to just YT test. So yeah, I've already recorded about a 50-second video to add it here. So the first thing you need to do to import the video in, you need to add object, or you can do it through here. I prefer doing it here because I've gotten used to that. Video, it'll open up your file manager. I don't think you can see this, just saying, not sure. I then go to captures if you're using the default Windows thing. Open up, one of my recording is still going on and getting saved. Anyway, the one that I recorded, I've opened it up here and it has been recorded. It has importing in. This will come object position settings. Just click OK and it should be in. I've not done anything special on this, just one straight clip of me just saying stuff and just telling what this is about. Anyway, now first you can either run the wizard to get like some information, but that's not needed. Let's say the video test. Let's say I don't like the beginning little bit where the background noise there. If I don't like it, I go into cutting splitting tools, wait for it, then hold down control, then move the pinhead or whatever you would like to call it, and click on the bigger part because that other one is ridiculously small, and hold there, hold the control click, not control, not what I, just hold down control while you click it, and then it will move, so you can make the cutoff part bigger and then you can pull it off. You can pull it down, and once you've done that, you can move it out of the frame completely. You can move it out of the video completely and bring it back to the original position. And this you can just, then if you don't want it at all, right click, delete, gone. Now test it. Okay, so that's how it goes. Now if I want to add effects, you can go to this, which is you need to click here, otherwise it'll all be gray and won't work. So here, video effects, quick styles, all these type of effects. I mainly don't use this because it's like not what I would want. It's already preset, which I would prefer not using. And if you want, you can use them. Plus you can use audio effects, which yeah, you can delay, time filters, pitch shift, amplitude, etc, etc. I'm not going to go into that. I'm mainly going to do video effects. So I can go into that, do what you want, like adjustments. This is just adjusting the green, blue hue, the saturations, etc, etc. You have to adjust them through here. You can't adjust them much to anywhere, and yeah, it works quite well. But mainly if you want your video to look quite good, unless you want it really vibrant, like it's like a slightly dull shot just transferred into a vibrant shot like that, that's one of the only scenarios I would use this. Otherwise I wouldn't. Filters also aren't the best. I'm just going to show you one of them which isn't the best. Look, testing. I don't bother using any of these type of filters. Like all the, these are not, yeah, these are also inbuilt ones, so I don't use them. And you might go here, like whenever you add a filter, it might just go into something like this and there's nothing else. So just click on scene 0, which will be here, and it will bring you back to the place where you know. In video effects, the most thing I use is transparency is for, I use it mostly for background remover, which is like bigger YouTubers, they use like, they have a green screen behind them and then they're doing gaming, etc, etc. They use like that I use. Plus I use something a lot like distort, which I use a lot in my latest video, where I editing challenge basically. Yeah, so this is how it is. You can change it to from that to whirlpool, which just turns it. And if you don't and if you want, like, let's say the swirly face thing, which it's become quite a meme, you have to switch to swirl, and then here it won't look that great unless you go here into angle data, increase it. 1 is massive, you click off of it and it goes crazy. So if you want back more info, go to there. I'm just gonna make it massive, like 10. It's like a hypnotism ring or something, and I'll just push it down to 1. It is useful. And let's say you want something, like if you want a text, you go to text here and okay, and then here with your cursor just pull a line. You can change the text color here. I'm gonna go for a vibrant red, and you can change the text size here. I'm gonna make it, let's say 72 high, like that. If you want, you can change the font here. You can change the font to whatever you want, Tahoma, anything you want. So yeah, you can basically, you just need to figure out quite a bit. Other than that, VSDC is a very good video editor, and you can go into whatever you want. I suggest you do experiment with yourself, record a random clip, experiment with it, and if you want, you can look up tutorials on YouTube, etc, etc. But mainly you would rather just experiment, like text, all that, just clip, speed, add tooltip. It's cool, it's quite cool. And you can duplicate, which I learned very recently, and yeah, it was quite good. Anyway, so now once you're done with whatever your video is, yeah, whatever, and then you go into export project, which is right next to the tab of video editor, which is the one you're working on, and click on export project. Choose whatever one you are on. If you're on for export it onto what export it what device you are on. This is what it, yeah, you have to select one. It's either PC, web, iPhone, like Apple products, basically Android or DVD, which is a weird thing. I mainly go for PC because I'm working on a PC. And then you go for export project. I'm not gonna export the project because yeah, export project. Just click on export project and that's done. And yeah, and guys, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button, comment and share this video, and I guess see you in the next video. Bye.